Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some Happy Mail. I entered a giveaway, I think was advertised on Instagram, and it was for the Scrapbook Expo, and the prize was coming from the Stamps of Life. It was actually a blog giveaway on the Stamps of Life, and so I received a $50 gift card. So I went to their website and picked out one of their old card kits, and it was for October 2016. I will put a link down below for their website if you want to go check out the things that they have. They have monthly card kits, and then they also sell all different other kinds of supplies. I picked this one out because it has a strawberry theme, and I just loved everything that was included in the kit. The kit was $44.50, which is kind of on the high side, but you get a lot for it. So I wanted to try one of their kits out. I have seen, and I think I actually follow a blogger that uses their kits a lot, and I really fell in love with it. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you here. So it came with a clear acrylic stamp, and it says, "Your thoughtfulness means the world to me. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hope you have a beautiful day, and because you make me happy." There is a kit card that they come with, and it shows 3 examples of different cards you can make with this kit. And it also lists that there's a video, so I'm assuming that you can watch the video and it'll show you how to make these cards. I haven't done that yet, so I'm going to check that out. Here is a die, one of the thin dies, and it says forever. It's backwards here, of course. And then here are some flowers, and they have some yellow rhinestones on them. Here are some felt strawberries. I thought these were super cute. And then, oh, here is another card kit, just like an advertisement, and this was April of 2019. So just to show you another kit option. They come with a 6x6 paper pad, and this one's called the Forever Collection, and they are 24 double-sided sheets, and I'll flip through them here. Just really pretty colors and patterns. I love the strawberries. They're pretty thick cardstock. So cute. And I'm not sure, oh, there's another strawberry pattern, really cute. Not sure if there's doubles. Yeah, it looks like it has 2 of each page. And then it starts with the same, so I won't flip through that, but really pretty, really cute, and coordinates well with the strawberries and all the other things. Then there is a pack of enamel dots that go with it, some twine, and then 2 packs of ribbons that coordinate nicely. And then it comes with this really nice plastic pocket that you can write whatever. You can use these, I guess if you're collecting them, you can put everything, you know, and file them away, and you'll know what kit they were from or whatever subject you're making your cards for. But it comes with a bunch of different colors of cardstock to coordinate and to make your cards. There's some white, black, a craft color, green, a couple different reds, yellow, pink, and blue. And then it also comes with some white envelopes, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 envelopes. and then a couple different glassine bags, I guess, you can alter to make for little goodie bags or Happy Meal or something like that. So yeah, that is the kit, and I was really excited to hear that I had won this prize because I don't win very many giveaways, so that was fun. So if you'd like to check out the Stamps of Life, you can follow the link down below. I also will put their link to their Instagram, and you can check them out and follow them there. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram because I post things regularly there of what I'm working on. If I have a tutorial up on my YouTube, any kind of hauls that I'm doing, just any of my projects. Also, I am running a Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge right now. It lasts through the end of September, and you can make yourself a junk journal using all Dollar Tree products and post it on Instagram or do a video response on your YouTube channel, and you will be included in a giveaway, and the giveaway prize is the journal that I'm making for the challenge. So go ahead and follow the link down below for that video, and you can learn what all the requirements are for the challenge, and hopefully you will participate. I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.